Hey guys, it's Sherika. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title, we got a new couch. So Brian has been wanting a new couch for a very long time. So we were able to find the perfect couch. I'm going to tell you guys all about it in this video. So if you're interested, just keep watching. The Modular Sectional Cloud Leader is a flexible and comfortable sofa that can be arranged in different ways to fit your living space. Its soft, oversized cushions make it cozy, while the stylish design adds a modern touch to any room. Made from durable fabrics, it's easy to care for and perfect for both small and large areas. The Cloud Leader can also include features like hidden storage and the ability to convert into a bed, making it a practical choice for any home. The sofa is designed for a straightforward assembly with clear instructions and minimal tools required. The modular pieces typically come with a connector that allows you to easily snap them together without complicated hardware. The couch did include 2 different heights for the feet on the couch, so if you wanted to go for a more low profile couch, you can do that. We went with the highest height. One thing to note is that the cushions come vacuum sealed for shipping, so it may take 24 to 48 hours for them to fully fluff up and reach their maximum softness. And I also decided to steam the fabric just a little bit to knock out some of the wrinkles. The sofa has soft, breathable fabric that is both durable and easy to clean. The cushioning is designed to provide maximum comfort, making it perfect for lounging or entertaining guests. This is how the couch looks. And this couch is pet friendly. Let me give you guys a close-up of the fabric. I'll put the name of the fabric across the screen. This is the stitching on the cushion, so this will last a very long time. Nice and comfortable, and it was fairly easy to put together. These little slits right here is how you can connect it any way you want to, so it doesn't have to be in this shape. If you don't want it to be, you can move it around, so that's why they have those slits there. How long you think this took us to put this together?
I say about 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. Very easy. And then, like I said, 48 hours, it will fluff out. And look how deep the cushions are. I'll put the dimensions across the screen, but you can sleep up here nice and cozy. Do you love it, Ryan?
I do.
Love the color. And right now, this is how he has it. So he has the extra, I guess you can call this like a footrest, but if you wanted to make it into a chair, you can do that. You can make it into a bed. Like you could just push this one here, this footstool here, there, sleep on it. It's nice. And then this is the shorter option for the leg if you want to do a lower profile. So we did the highest one that they had available, but this is like the difference here. So you can put this on the bottom of the leg so it don't scratch up your floors. So they give that to you. And then we also got this really fluffy throw. And y'all know I love sleeping on these. What color is this?
It's like a charcoal gray.
Yeah, charcoal gray. Really nice. Let's style it on the couch. Ryan, you want to do the honors? So you can just Throw it over the couch like that for a little extra something.
And then when you want to lay down.
Yeah, when you want to cuddle up. Yeah, we're really happy with it.